My. The fog is heavy again this morning, you guys. Hey, what's up, you guys? So, I know it's a little dewy this morning as well, but I gotta try to get as much centipede mowed as possible. So, I'm gonna start out mowing centipede this morning, you guys, until it dries, and then hopefully we can get some corn picked today. Yeah, buddy. The fog is laid heavy. Yeah, you guys, check out our mowing. We mowed this field. Of course, the outside here, that's left up to the state. But we got it mowed on the inside, you guys. I know I'm talking loud. I'm sorry. Yeah, so I got that mowed yesterday. I didn't get that side mowed, and I got some more in the back that I gotta get mowed. And man, let me tell you, I can tear the air down right now. Man, I put this headband on, the headband for the GoPro. Man, that thing is still soaking wet from last night. When I was doing the yard work, man, this thing is soaking wet, you guys. So I got a wet headband on right now. I guess I need to leave it in the sun somewhere. But yeah, y'all see how much work we did. Great day. You guys, I'm feeling it this morning too. I'm trying to tell you, I am feeling it. Like, I'm struggling this morning. You heard how I sounded. You heard how I sounded when I first started the video this morning. I had to get some life in me. And let me tell you, mowing centipede grass is not the thing to be doing when you're tired. Cause, oh goodness, look at the turkeys. Look at the wild turkeys out here in the centipede grass. I don't know if you can see them or not. But anyway, mowing centipede grass will put you to sleep even worse. This thing get the humming with that old loud hum. Oh my goodness. The struggle is gonna be real, you guys. The struggle is gonna be real. Let her down. Okay. Let's get the PTO turned on. And yeah, like I was saying, man, so you guys, I worked another 6 hours on top of the 12 hours that I worked at work here. Cause after I got through working along with you guys, you know, it got dark on me, and I kept right on working. And in between working, I tried to get the videos edited so that I can go to my spot, and like I've been doing when I got 2 videos to upload, I just leave my phone out there at that spot 9 miles away from the house and go back to the house while it's uploading. And then have to go back and get the phone. So it's like, well, last night it was like, I don't know, probably about 12:30 a.m. when I got back home from going to get the phone. Yeah, you guys, I'm telling you, it's a struggle. It's a struggle uploading, but like I always say, I like making the content for you guys. All right, you guys, so I made the last pass in this field here, and I'm looking over here. It looks pretty clumpy over here, so I'm just gonna take this pass on out, and maybe that'll help disperse some of it. It didn't make too many clumps out here because it didn't grow up too bad, but since I can definitely see how it clumped up here, I'll run back over this one pass, because I still got another field to do out front, and then we gotta go to another farm. And I mean, it's still so wet, it's still clumping up, and it really ain't dried enough to make a difference running over it the second time. It is helping a little bit. Oh yeah, there go my neighbor, you guys. Mr. Lee over there cutting some grass early this morning. Hey, I told you guys. I keep telling you, he stay on the ball at 81 years old. All right. Hey, you guys, looks like the guy with the excavator and the brush cutter is over here getting some work done now. I would like to have that thing. All right. Man, I would mow the world up with that, you guys. Coming up on a peanut field. Can't even hardly see over there because the ditch bank's so growed up. Oh man, that ditch bank is calling our name, you guys. I was about to say, where the beans at? I guess he didn't plant the beans all the way to the other end. Or they probably drowned on that end. Them peanuts are looking good. All right, you guys, so we made it to this field. And it's had quite a bit of it cut out. Come on, get in the gear there. There we go. Looks like they cut. Oh no, I was about to say with the big roller. The big rolls. Oh, they do look like the big rolls. Not unless it's. Yeah, I think that's the big rolls. They got, I don't know how wide the big rolls are. I don't know if it's maybe 30 inches. And then the smaller rolls are like 16 maybe. I don't know. But they got two different size rolls of grass that they dig. I said cut, didn't I? I meant to say they've dug out here. Anyway, we gonna work on it. Well, you guys, got that field knocked out. Dan texted me and told me that he has started picking corn. So I'm headed back to the shop and I'm gonna head to the cornfield and see what he want me to do. Get the show on the road. Coming up to our famous nice and smooth bridge. Sarcastically speaking. Wow, you can see the water levels going down. Ah, whoa, man, that's so rough. Ah, he's still swinging that excavator. Getting it knocked out. Back and forth, back and forth. Oh, going up with it. Getting it cleaned up. All right, you guys, so I'm about to grab the grain truck here, the 2-ton truck. I see Danny has it hooked up to the hopper bottoms over there yet. I know one of the trucks is at the shop, so I might be the only one running right now. You guys, from AC to window usage. Oh man, we gotta get the AC fixed in here. It is hot. Yeah. Does this look familiar to you guys? Danny had to do a little road work here. Yeah, this is where we cleared the dams on MLK Day. Oh, it's a little bit wet through here too. Oh, that might get a little slippery slidey. I know he's waiting on me. Pretty sure he probably got the grain cart filled up. Oh no, he's going. So I guess the grain cart is filled up. I have to load off of the grain cart. Yes, I know this looks familiar. Probably not now since he cut the corn, but you guys know to go that way. It's Mother Beaver Dam #2 that way. I need to ask him if if he want me to leave out that way I came in, because it's a little wet that way. Just got through talking to Dan. He's gonna load this load off of the combine into here because it's higher in moisture and it needs to be dried. If somebody's gonna be hauling for us, he might come today. And so he'll put the dryer stuff in his hopper bottle. But anyway, these corn husks, woo, I ain't gonna stand out here much longer. I think he said it's like 27%. So, I guess whenever the guy who's hauling for us get the frequently hauling along with Danny, I'll probably have to run the grain cart more than I do drive. So, yep. So we're gonna go out this way instead of the way I came in across the creek. Since it's so wet, we have to go through another farmer's driveway. He plants cotton down here in this end, but I'm sure he won't mind. His cotton is getting big. I see some blooms on it. See the white flowers out there? Okay, good deal, good deal. All right, you guys, let's get through these gears. Y'all know I like to split shift. Truck. Y'all remember the loud truck I was saying, yeah, this baby a run. This is a 10-speed with a high and low. It's 5 gears with a high and low. Of course, I don't need to go through all the gears like I'm doing. Probably won't do that all the time, but alright, you guys, we pulling up. I had to stop and get the moisture tester and the shovel. The first unload is always the most work, and that is because I have to get wow, I'm gonna definitely dig out the place where the tires go, because it's been filled up. Dig out the place where the tires go, and got to get it uncovered, and I got to do a test run with the auger, make sure that there's no trash that comes down over in the wet bin. That's the wet bin. It goes in the wet bin, then it goes to the dryer, then it goes up the elevator and into the big storage bin. Yeah, we need to do some weed eating around here, just like I need to do at the house. All right, go look in here. Oh man, that thing is so filmy looking. Can't really see nothing in there. Okay, we had to change a bearing on the end of that auger. So I got to get the pit unwrapped. Get the pit unwrapped here. Let's see. Try to keep it wrapped up to keep the water out of it. Where's that other strap at? Yeah, it's good and hot and humid today, you guys. Woo! My. Well, I guess it'd be nice if I move that out of the way. Ugh, I'm tripping. Man, what is it still caught on? Thank you, let go. We cleaned out the pit earlier, well, a couple of weeks ago. Same time we cleaned out the elevator. And I actually need to move this out of the way. This is what Danny uses when he unloads the hopper bottom. That's kind of sort of gonna be in my way. Let me see if I can move it by myself. How to get some horsepower. See if I can get some horsepower to move this thing. You guys aren't helping me. I gotta get low. Man, it's in that hole. Wait a minute. All right, so let me try this again. I'm gonna pull it out. There we go. I was just trying to push it instead of getting a running start. There we go. Get it out of my way until Danny starts hauling with the hopper bottoms. That's good enough right there. Okay, and this, look at this. Everything wanting to be hung up. Come on. Put that out so that if we spill any corn, it'll be easy to get it up. Don't really need these, but I like to put them in there anyway. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get some of that grass off of there. It is so hot. I know. And I always wear long sleeve. Keep from getting sunburn. I know y'all be asking about that. Let's see. Now I got to get the truck backed up. Got to get the truck backed up here. The tire marks usually be right there. Like I said, the first time is always getting set up like you need to. And I guess we should have been done this. Wait a minute. I'm looking at this right here, like maybe it was right here. Because I see the two pieces of wood. Y'all getting to see some shovel work anyway, huh? So to create a barrier to keep the truck from coming too far back, you know, when you run up on it. And that piece of wood up front. Woo-wee, it's hot, you guys. So I must be got that in the wrong place there. I must be got the wrong place dug out. What I need to do is just go ahead and back up and see what it looks like. Let me back up, you guys. All right, you guys, let me get out and see what that looks like. Oh my. That's not right. Great, Dave from Zion. Yeah, so obviously, Lord have mercy. Obviously, that's not the hole, you guys. That is not the hole. I must be, that must have been the back of the hole. Wow. I'm about to tear up the pit. I'm about to tear up the pit, you guys. If I'd have came any closer. Oh, this is why we should have did this before. We should have done this with 2 people. Oh man, I think this is about got to be it now, you guys. Wow, y'all just missed a lot of behind the scenes work. And the only reason you did is because it's so hot out here, and the GoPro can't stand it. But anyway, all right. Let's get the dump lifted. Let's get the dump lifted. Get the PTO on. I don't want to lift it up too high to start with. Let me grab the moisture tester here. Wow-wee, you guys. Wow-wee. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna set this right here for right now. And let's turn on the auger. Oh yeah, that's high in moisture. I can feel that. I can feel that that's high in moisture. I guess I better not run it too fast because that might be too much on the belt. Oh Lord. Let me be safe and turn it off and unplug this thing. I thought I heard some extra noise. Oh boy, what a time it's already been. Come on, loose from there. Great day. There we go. Man, yeah, you guys. Everything ain't always peaches and cream. And I was about to make a mess by turning this thing off before closing that. Oh boy. All right, so with the moisture tester, we'll sit that right there. And we gotta go get some corn. Oh, that had a grasshopper in it. All right. And come over here. We'll turn it on. I guess you guys can see that, maybe. And we want it on corn. The cell is empty. It's going to test it while it's empty. It's going to get a test weight while it's empty. And when it's done, they say fill the cell. Put the corn in there. Get it leveled out. And hit the button again so I can test it to see what the moisture is. .4. So the moisture is 25.4. Put this back over here. All right, so I just raised the dump some more. And what I need to do now is turn on the dryer. I need to turn on the dryer and the unload auger to get it out of the wet bin. So I hit on, that will unload it out of the wet bin. Then I want to turn the fan on which is the fan for the dryer, and then the burner, which is what heats the corn. You want to turn that on. And I'm not going to turn on the unload yet because I don't want it to unload out of the dryer until the wet bin, until the corn has dried some. So probably by the time I get back with the next load, I'll turn that on. And I need to turn on the elevator. The elevator's right there. Turn the elevator on. I always like to have it on so that it don't get stopped up in case I forget to turn it on. So let me turn on the dryer now. Hit the master control. Start. Guess I'll raise the dump up some more. I guess I actually can pull the truck forward a little bit, but I got that wood in front of the tire right now, so I can't do that. It's jumping out of there because it's not enough getting in the front of it. I might need to go ahead and pull up because I'm making a mess. That's just a mess that I have to clean up later. Let me pull the truck up. You guys, I had to turn the dryer off because it said no pilot flame. I text Dan, what did that mean? I guess it's not getting the propane, but anyway, he told me to wait for Danny to get it set up. So I'm gonna leave that off, and I believe that that's in a better position now where it won't be spitting that corn out. You guys, it's smoking out here. Anyway, yeah, between you guys being on my headband and it being so hot out here and the heat from the truck, I didn't get to show you guys the last of the grain coming out of the truck, but I did finally get it set up, and I actually hauled 2 more loads after that, and I got this tape put on the flap here. We made this flap so that the corn will pour out of there a little bit more better. So I got that taped up so it shouldn't spill from that corner, and the way that I got the wood set up down there, it shouldn't be jumping out from this side. But anyway, JD, who's hauling corn for us, he's gonna get the next couple of loads from Dan, and you guys, I'm about to take lunch. I'm about to haul some food into my tummy. So I was awakened by a truck, and that seems to be Danny has got hooked up to the hopper bottom there. Yeah, I'm taking my lunch nap, but I heard the truck, so I said, let me see him going by. Now I'm about to get back in my chair and continue my nap. All right, you guys, so I'm awakened from my beauty sleep and from eating, and it seems to be that Danny's here in the road. I don't know if he's having some issues, but Dan is getting moved on along on the right side there, which is the side that Mother Beaver Dam number 2 is on. I don't know if they're having canvas issues or what. Look like maybe they might be having tarp issues. There's a tarp that runs over the hopper bottom. I gotta get out and see. So yeah, you guys, that was the issue. Had some tarp issues, so Danny's on his way. And Dan said there's probably about 250 bushels on the grain cart that I need to get off of the grain cart and go ahead and get that taken to the wet bin. All right, I got you guys back on the headband, and like I said, I'm gonna get this unloaded onto the truck. He's definitely a good ways over in this field, you guys. Ooh, do 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 do. I'm gonna get in some AC. Oh, praise the Lord. Oh man. Yeah, I've been riding in AC tractors too long. Oh, he got the seat swiveled around. Listen at the sound of that AC. All right, so I'm gonna get the auger flipped out. He said he put it on number 4, I think. Okay, so number 4, that's number 4 there. There it is. Yeah, it's been a little while, you guys, so I'll be rusty unloading. Just got to get that right position. Now, if y'all make a mess, it's all on you. Oh boy, I guess that's about right. I know you can't get too close because it sort of shoots it a good ways out there. So gotta turn on the PTO. Let me idle it down. PTO on. Then we gotta open up the gate, and that's on that control there. Get it opened up. Now I can speed it up. I know the windows are dirty in here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to. I don't know, that might be good. I'm about to say I have to get over some. Since it's only 250 bushels in there, I guess it's not gonna matter. I think the truck usually holds about 300, between 300 and 350, I think. Let's back up some. All right, we see it's coming up. I'm not gonna load it as if I'm gonna have a full load, so let me pull up some so that it's not unevenly distributed. I guess I can speed it up some more too. I guess it's getting empty because it's starting to shake quite a bit there. Slow it down some. Might be a little more in there than he thought. Let me back up. Yeah, that's about it. That's about it. That's gonna do it. So now, gotta close the gate back down. I don't know if you guys can see the open close sign. Close that back down. That way the channel where the corn comes out will be clear whenever you go to turn the PTO next time, and it won't have so much stress on the PTO when you turn it on. Turn the PTO off, and that's that, you guys. That's that. I guess I'll fold the, I probably can leave the auger out. I just leave the auger out for now. Guess right here is good enough. I don't want to get out of the tractor, you guys. Oh, it feels so good in here. He's about to have a load already. I think he, when he first started going around the ends, of course, whenever you go around the ends, it's not nearly as good because it's shaded. But he said it was picking at like 160. 160 bushels per acre, but I'm pretty sure it's probably done went up a little bit more since he's in the field now. I'll have to ask him again. But, oh, look at the corn husk. They like to get in there whenever you open the door. Voila! Nice. Let me turn on the windshield wipers and get that off of there. The thing is, when you get in here, you gotta take off and let the husk blow off before you open the window. So you gotta really burn up. Man, I don't usually have that window cracked so that the husk don't get in here, but man, it's just too hot. It is too hot. I just have to have some husk in here. All right, you guys. Hey, Kitty. Hi, Kitty. Don't run. She's so scary. No tuxedo cat. Like I was saying, hey, oh, and another thing, usually it's noisy down here, like real noisy, because the dryer be going and the fans be going. But yeah, that first time we came down here, it's not always that bad. It's not always that bad, you guys. I got it set up now, and unloading is pretty much a piece of cake, now unless you run into some other issue. So thank God I got that straightened out. When I first pulled up, I was just too close. I was way too close. And when it's too close, it doesn't unload like it needs to. Like, see, I'm further back and it'll be able to come out of there better. And it won't throw it out like it was doing earlier. See, it can get a real good flow and it keeps it full back there. And when it stays full back there, it's not kicking it out over there. So it's the same procedure. I gotta go and get the moisture tester and see what the percentage is. So I'll do all that and I'll check back in whenever it gets low, all right? All right, so it's about empty now. And of course, when I lift it all the way up, it does sort of mess up the distance between the spout and the auger there, and it kicks it out a little bit. So, yep, we got it emptied out. So while we waiting on Danny to get the dryer situated, Dan want me to turn the fan on the wet bin, I guess, so it can be cooling off and not condensating in there. It's gonna get loud. Oh no, that was not that loud. I'm tripping. Yeah, that fan ain't that loud. I'm thinking about the fans on the big bins. Now them jokers there, oh, they're loud. Man. Anyway, about to head on back to the field. I got it zoomed in as far as it'll go. But I'm gonna wait on him to dump on me instead of getting it off the grain cart. And I'm gonna pull in the shade over here, you guys. Oh yeah. All right, you guys, so he's about to get me loaded up. Oh, the husk. You guys, I just literally ate some husk. It went down my throat. Oh, I know y'all saw the husk coming towards me. Oh man. So I'm back out here in the field, you guys. I'm sitting in the tractor. And JD has brought his truck and Dan is loading on him. I'm sitting in the tractor in this AC. I'm not gonna get a close up today. I'm about to wrap the video on up. Hey, there's be plenty more of corn action. All right, so I was thinking back earlier on how I was trying to get the truck aligned. Man, just a real quick word of encouragement to those of you, you know, who in life you had begun to pursue certain things and it's like you failed. Let me tell you, don't give up. Keep on pursuing. Keep on pressing. Keep on fighting. Keep on trying. Don't give up, because if at first you don't succeed, try again. I believe that as you persistently continue to exert yourself to whatever it is, that you'll meet that desired end. All right, so just keep encouraged. You guys saw my struggle earlier but I got through it. And now it's a little bit more smoother sailing. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching today. Today was officially the first day of 2021 corn harvest. You guys stay blessed. You guys keep encouraged. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.